Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. This is my fourth video after class test 2. In this video, I will discuss 4 topics. First one is what is an entrepreneur? Second one, what is an entrepreneurship? Third one, what is an entrepreneurship development? And the last one, process of entrepreneurship development. So one by one I am going to discuss, my dear. So my first topic is what is entrepreneur? You see, an entrepreneur is defined as a person who sets up a business with the whole hope of making profits, taking on financial risks in the process. A successful entrepreneur is that who has skills and innovation. You might have heard many names, my dear, like Bill Gates, Mukesh Ambani, Ratan Tata. They all are what? Entrepreneur. They have a lot of struggles to set up all those businesses. It is not that one time you have done the investment and one time you have done the setup and your business will start running. No, my dear. It needs a lot of efforts. So whoever is having the skills and innovations, yes, he can be able to run a business. You might have heard about startups. Many companies, even I can say some of the CEOs of those organizations, they are not well qualified, but by their skill, they have set the business, my dear. Now, the next part, that is enterprise. Building an organization to support the sales and business unit is called an enterprise. This is, I hope this is clear to everyone. Now, what is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is the act of creating a business while building and scaling it to generate a profit. It manages a business ventures with all risk. Listen, my dear, one thing please keep it in mind. In other way, you can say entrepreneurship is also responsible for creating and expanding opportunities for other economic activities, and that can generate employment and professions, my dear. It gives rise to other businesses. Therefore, my dear, it is very important for the economic development of a nation. So please keep it in mind. Your entrepreneurship is also responsible, my dear, for creating and expanding opportunities, even giving the jobs. So you can say, in other way, entrepreneurship is what? That means it is just like a business, act of creating a business. Yes, by providing, yes, profits, providing employments, understood? Providing a good society. I will discuss these all topics later on. Now, next one is entrepreneurship development. Entrepreneurship development is a process of enhancing the capacity to develop, organize, and manage. See, my dear, to develop, organize, and manage of business ventures while keeping in mind the risk involved in it. You see, my dear, if anyone is going to set up a business, he might have a risk, my dear. Maybe his business can run, or his business can give a good profit. We have the Entrepreneurship Development Institute in Gandhinagar. There is an institute, yes, in Gandhinagar, whose main focus is to make the main aims of entrepreneurship development is to increase the number of entrepreneurs present in the community, in our society. It teaches them the qualities of taking better decision, my dear, for their businesses. We have already, I discussed, we have number of entrepreneurs. If I count, then it will be less. Many are there. You might have heard many. Azim Ji Premji. You have heard about, yes, Bajaj. Rahul Bajaj. My next topic is who contributes to the effectiveness of entrepreneurship development. Students, for entrepreneurship development is to be truly effective, the following points are to be kept in mind while preparing the development. So, what are the points? First one, definite plan and direction. Listen, my dear. The objective of the program must be clear. Otherwise, the program will be a waste of time, money, and energy. So, whenever any business has to be set up, there should be a rough work. There should be a planning. Otherwise, company cannot grow, or the new business which you have opened, that will not grow, my dear. Now, the next part, that is, yes, select the participants, correct participants. Listen, my dear, admit participants who have the potential as well as the motivation to become good entrepreneurs. So don't choose those participants who cannot help you or cannot cooperate you in running the business. Next, localize the programs. Why it is important, my dear? You see, it is important that you develop the programs aimed at the participants from a specific locality. Yeah, that means in your society, another way you can say it. This will help them as they would have prior knowledge of the local markets and can be trained with that in mind. Next one, tie up with institutions. Students, if the programs is carried out with the participation of institutions like NGOs, universities, and other private entities, it would give the participants hand-on training and experience. So I have already said you there is one institute in Gandhinagar, and what is the name of that institute? Entrepreneurship Development Institute. Now, the last one is weigh the outcome of the program. It is important to know how effective the programs was so that it may be improved upon for the future programs, and even whatever the shortcomings therein, the training that can be taught to the entrepreneurs I hope you have understood these all topics.